Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Nicole? That was a flop.
I stole your line! That was a flop. Okay, take two.
More conviction.
Okay.
We're gonna give Nicole a lesson. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi.
I can't do it like that. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Whew. Take 5. What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Hi. Good morning.
It's afternoon.
This mirror is so sick. It is.
It is sick.
Okay, hi everyone. It is the afternoon, but who knows what's going on out in the real world. Okay, so today we are doing this beautiful and oh my god.
Beautiful blue eye.
Wow. We need help. Okay, so today, not me, Nicole is transforming me from mole rat into a beautiful blue mermaid goddess. Today we are diving into the new Thirsty palette. Hey! Now, Nicole did create all the looks on me for the entire summer campaign. What was your favorite one?
My favorite one was the graphic liner,
Okay.
I think, or the one with all the jewels with the big hair in front of the ice cream truck.
Oh, I just posted that on Instagram and I'm obsessed
love
with it. But today, a lot of you were like, okay, we've seen you guys in the Get Ready, you've done the oranges, you've done it in the Rolls Royce video, we want to see the blue. So I'm like, Nicole, settle in and strap me up. Look at this look, y'all. Sorry, I went swimming in this wig and then I got fucked, so it's a little messy today. Yeah. I'm so sorry.
So today I used a lot of the blues to create this look on Jeffrey. We had so much fun. It's so pretty and it's still wearable. Like, it's not crazy. Just because it's blue eyeshadow, it doesn't have to be crazy, some crazy look.
A lot of people see color and they get a little scared.
Yeah.
Do you have some advice for them?
Yeah, just suck it up. Throw it in your eyes.
Be a boss ass bitch and
shit
pack it on. Yes, no, me and Nicole are both ex-MAC employees and we're all about color. Yes. 10 years later, when did you leave MAC? 3 years, 4 years?
2015, 2014.
Okay, wow. I was like 2008.
Yeah. Okay.
I know, I was like fresh. All right, you guys, so if you want to see Nicole transform me, then keep on watching. Do the do.
Do the do while I do the eye.
Baja Blast is officially back in cans and in bottles.
Wow.
We're not even gonna talk about makeup today. We're only gonna talk about Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. My favorite place in the whole world.
Yeah, we did our own mukbang earlier. All right, so of course the Thirsty palette is here. And we've seen a lot of the corals and the oranges. We did our own Get Ready.
I feel like those are the most like, people will gravitate to those first, you know, the corals and stuff. So today we're gonna do
a little pop of color.
A little pops of color. Yeah, we're gonna use like the blues and the greens and the teals, a little yellow, some of the subtle, which is like a taupey brown.
Hey.
And some shimmer.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah,
love it.
Aquatic.
I'm gonna finish my Nutter Butter and we're gonna get started. Oh my god, my god.
What was that?
You know the big hairy thing in Addams Family when it's like,
yeah, Cousin It, isn't it Cousin It?
Cousin It is everything. All right, the first step Nicole is gonna do is go in with Shade Parched. You better lay down that bone color, girl.
All over. I use this brush for everything.
For Morphe?
Yeah.
Love that. There are so many new Morphe brush store locations coming. We have San Diego, Vegas is around the corner.
Yep.
There's a lot of other states that we can't reveal just yet.
Yep.
Woo, I'm so excited.
NDAs.
But my brand, of course, will be in every location. We are expanding slowly and steady. Slow and steady wins a race, baby. And I've held out in America.
Yep.
No Sephora, no Ulta, doing my thing. One of the biggest e-commerce cosmetics companies in this day and age. Hi, I'm gonna congratulate myself.
Congratulations. Congratulate you.
I'm like, fuck, man, it's crazy. It's fucking crazy. To be a competitor to some of the big dogs, it's like, what's good, ho? And just to be able to be myself still and have a YouTube channel and like have a whole other part of my life, I think is so cool. Yeah. Morphe Brushes is expanding rapidly. We're gonna have a lot of more stores this year and I just can't wait for everyone to see. Because there's so many people like, we want the East Coast, we want the Midwest, we want down south. I'm like,
wait,
we'll
maybe.
see. Oh my god, I love this brow. Okay. What's next?
So before we get into like real shadows, I want to put down some loose powder underneath your eye just to catch any fallout if there is any.
Bake me.
Bake in it. Okay,
all right.
Set. And then now I'm gonna take Subtle.
Right here.
So cute, such a good taupe color for the crease.
Bam, bam, bam. Okay, so last video I got so much feedback that everyone loved the sound of your nails tapping.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't have nails this time, but I still
That's
do
why
it.
we haven't heard the tapping.
Yeah.
I'm freaking out.
But I still
That's
do
why
it.
we haven't heard the tapping. I'm
Yeah.
freaking out. Oh.
I'll still do it.
Oh my god, how do you do it? Do it with mine.
Okay.
There was so many
Give me the
things, like
finger.
so many comments were
Really?
like, Nicole's nails tapping on the brush is so soothing. Like I could fall asleep
Oh
to
my
it. I'm like, oh my god, that's
God.
Nicole's second calling.
Yeah, damn.
Woo, hi everyone. Okay, what's next?
Now I'm gonna take Submerge.
Yes.
I'm gonna use this color and do like a little halo moment. So we're gonna do it on the inner and outer corner.
Oh, love that. Nicole likes to just saturate her brush, honey.
I do.
Uh-huh. Extreme pigment. Oh, I love the brown and blue already together. Splash.
Oh, splash.
I'm not doing this. She forgot the shade. Are my eyes red, you guys? Mama's been smoking. They're not too red,
Just a
are
little
they?
bit. No, it's fine.
I love it. It's a good accent.
Red and blue.
Yeah. America.
America.
Oh God, that is not us, you guys. We America. After getting back from Norway and Finland last week, I'm like, oh, I just want to go back.
I know.
Everyone was so much nicer.
I want to move to England.
Ooh, okay. Christian, she's coming for you.
Hey.
She can take my spot.
I'll take yours, you take
Yeah,
mine.
he'll stay in California. Okay, now Nicole is very hands-on. I love it. When I first met her, she was like just buffing concealer with her fingers, and I was like, yes. Oh wow, come on now.
So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna sweep this away.
Okay.
It did catch some for me, which is good. And then I'm gonna smoke out the bottom.
Okay. Sativa or indica?
Sativa.
Oh, love that.
Actually, drizzle. I'm gonna take this chocolate brown down here, and I'm gonna use that underneath, and we'll smoke it out with the yellow.
Ooh,
It's gonna be
okay.
really pretty.
Do you want any liner in the waterline?
Yeah, I think, do you have a brown? Let's do like a brown, chocolate brown.
Okay. Bam, we found one.
Hey, we found a
Took a
brown.
second. So what is that one?
This one's Costa Riche from MAC.
Costa Rici?
Rishi?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh.
I don't know.
I think it's Costa Riche, but I'm gonna do this in your waterline.
Okay.
And I'm gonna bring it down a little bit actually and smoke that out before I lay down the drizzle color from the Thirsty palette.
Okay, perfect. Bam. How do you feel about Thirsty, honey?
Oh.
How are we feeling about it?
We love Thirsty. No, it was exciting. It was a fun color story, so it was cool to make looks for it. It was really inspiring.
Yay, I love that.
Yep. But I love the blues you picked because they're like aquatic. They're not like navies, you know what I mean? I feel like there's just so much of the same stuff
Out there,
out
I
there
know. Like,
that
what's next?
it was refreshing.
Oh, I love that. We love a hands-on queen.
I'm just taking my finger and just buffing out this liner. It's super creamy,
Ooh.
so.
Oh my god. Fuck a brush.
All right, so now I'm gonna dip into drizzle.
All right, we're gonna dip in a drizzle here, and then you're gonna mix a little bit with quench.
Yep, underneath.
Okay,
Quench is gonna
word.
go right underneath.
That's my favorite Tom Ford eye pencil. Eye pencil brush,
eye
not
pencil
sorry.
I was like, damn, it's a big eye pencil. Taking quench.
Okay.
And a little, where is this little guy?
It's a little Chanel moment.
A Chanel brush.
Chanel eyeshadow brush. I love that brush.
Okay, so I'm wetting my finger a little bit
Okay.
before I pack on the shimmer, but you don't have to do that. I just always like to.
That's Nicole's thing.
Yeah, I just always end up doing it, but they totally don't need that. Taking Filthy Rich, which is like this really pretty like greeny gold,
Bam.
and just packing that right in between the two little blue sections.
Oh, hi. Come on, Summer. All right, it's the last time. All right, we're gonna use the New Bouncem Serengetis. Love this.
So pretty. I'm wearing them right now too.
Okay.
Let's put these on. They're so pretty, and you can still see all the eyeshadow through them.
You don't want to hide the good work.
Yeah.
Bam. Nicole just does it so effortless, like bam. Also, if you're watching this, everyone, right now we are doing an Instagram live.
Hey.
Hi, everyone.
Inception.
Inception right now. Oh, look at that lash. Yes. Hi, Lucas. Hi, Diana. What's up, Maddie? There are so many people in here watching.
Yeah, damn.
Hi, honey.
Everybody.
Hi, everyone. Okay, so
It's
the lash is
Sunday.
drying. Bam.
Lash is drying. She's pretty much, they're good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so Nicole also laid down a little bit of the liquid lash liner from MAC Cosmetics and then did the lash. We just did this part off camera. So besides the lash, what is next?
I'm gonna finish painting your whole face. So we're just gonna kick up your contour, add some blush, highlight, just kind of finish decorating, and then we'll come back to do your lip from Thirsty.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Yay, so we will be right back. Time for lip. Nicole laid down some blush, some highlight, some contour, and we're ready to roll.
Yay.
So what's for today?
So today we're gonna do 818 on the lips, and then in the center we're gonna do a little bit of I'm Nude.
Ooh,
just
okay.
kind of blend the two.
Classic.
Classic.
Trying to be still. I'm like... Trying to be silent.
Turn a little bit this way.
Mm-hmm.
You're my stomach.
We're hungry. I'm trying to hold my breath right now. Hey everyone. Ooh, it's coming together.
It's so pretty. It looks so like electric neon on there.
It does,
I mean, it is in person, but...
It looks more neon on the Instagram right now. Huh? I'm like, girl, what in the hell?
Holy shit.
Kind of live for it though. Oh, what? Nicole's changing her mind.
Brown. Yeah, I think I want to take it off.
She tried I'm Nude off camera, you guys, but we're gonna pause, wipe it off, and try something else. All right, tell us, Nicole, what's this?
So I'm putting a little soft serve in the middle of 818.
Okay. I'm Nude was a little too brown toned.
Yeah, I tried I'm Nude. It was definitely too browny. I want to keep this like coral pop.
Remember when I basically invented summer?
Yeah, every year for the past 3 years.
I had the top of the chrome last year, and I think orange is such a cool color. People like don't gravitate towards it. I used to have orange hair
orange.
like 9 years ago, and orange is one of my favorite. Oh wow, fuck orange. What's up? What's up, orange?
What's up, orange?
What's up, orange? Oh my god, Nicole, like stop.
pretty.
Fuck. Woo, girl, we finished.
We're done.
Look at my hair
You're
clip.
glam.
I don't give a fuck.
That's where we are. We don't care anymore.
No.
There's a pink one back
This
here.
is YouTube life, you guys. I don't give a fuck. We filmed 3 videos today. We're boss ass bitches. Nicole slayed this look. I feel so good.
Yay.
I'm ready to go downstairs and drop to my knees and say, Nate, Fortnite's cute, but mom is horny. And that's where we are.
Wow,
right
that's
now.
where we are right now. Thanks
sure
for the
are.
Thirsty palette.
Bam. The Thirsty palette is out. It's here and it's queer. And what was your favorite moment in this palette? I mean,
Oh my
all of them?
God.
Thank you, great.
Yeah, honestly. Yeah.
Jeffree Star not letting
Yeah.
Lipstick Nick talk for 2 minutes straight.
I think the yellow and Snatched.
Ooh, okay.
Snatched I put in my little inner
You did in the inner corners. It
It's
looks
really
so pretty.
diamondy.
Yeah, I love
like a
that.
cool
Come on, new
diamond
formula. How are you? Thank you so much for coming over today.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Always, it's so much fun. And you
Yay.
guys, we have a lot of other campaigns coming up. We have entire holiday and girl. Wait till they see that palette.
Oh yeah.
It is something
So
that you have
cool.
never seen before from my brand. All right, you guys. Let's go celebrate.
All right.
Yay!
Cool.
All right, love you guys so much. We will see you on the next one. Mwah.
Bye.